Welcome back to Worth Coins channel. Today we've got something special for all you coin enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of the 1998 penny. A small but intriguing piece of currency that holds more than meets the eye. Stick around as we explore its value, diameter, and uncover some fascinating historical tidbits. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. So, why the 1998 penny? Well, this coin has a unique story to tell. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at its design and specifications. The 1998 penny features the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse side, and on the reverse we have the Lincoln Memorial. But there's more to it than just its design. Now, let's talk about the diameter of the 1998 penny. This coin has a standard diameter of 0.75 inches or 19.5 mm. It's important to note that the size of a coin can sometimes play a role in its rarity and collector's value. If you're a collector, grab your calipers and measure your 1998 pennies to see if you have any variations in diameter. Sometimes, even the smallest differences can make a coin more valuable. The big question, what's the value of a 1998 penny? Well, it's not a coin that will make you an overnight millionaire, but there are a few factors to consider. First, check for any minting errors or variations. Coins with mistakes during production can be more valuable to collectors. Additionally, the condition of the coin, whether it's uncirculated or circulated, plays a role in determining its value. Now, let's delve into the history surrounding the 1998 penny. What was happening in the world when this coin was minted? In 1998, significant events shaped the world, from political happenings to pop culture moments. Knowing the historical context can add depth to your coin collection. And there you have it, a closer look at 1998 penny with diameter, value, and historical significance. If you enjoyed this exploration, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content. Drop a comment below if you have a special coin you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, happy collecting!